Hey guys, how to sell in summer of 2025? There is going to be two camps of people. One camp is going to tell you it's impossible. Summer is the worst season. Expect bad sales. And they're fair. There's a lot of things and a lot of facts that actually make sense. People going on vacation, summer being a slower season, nobody really cares about the numbers that much. That's why usually sales in summer are not so good. There's going to be another camp of people. Those camp of people are going to tell you, if you do 300% of your effort, you will achieve more results. And it's your decision, which camp do you want to be. I can tell you what happened to me last year. Last year, I worked very hard the whole summer, and June, July, and August together, in those 3 months, I closed 200% of my quota of what I wanted to close. Now, this came from the fact that while others are resting and doing nothing, this means your competition is probably resting as well. So if you double down, you have more market, you have more people to talk to, they have less noise attacking them every day. And this is the opportunity that you can go and use. This is where sometimes it makes more sense for you to work thrice as hard in summer in order to close a lot of business and a lot of revenue. And then, for example, September is going to be a weaker month for you. It's also fine. It's your choice. Which camp do you want to be a member of? I'm just saying you that if you hear from people that summer is a bad season or anything like that, it is true, and at the same time, it is not true. And you decide what's going to be the truth for you. So decision is yours. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.